So now I'm going to access the item from the list. So here I created a list assigning some item. So the first item is a string, and the second item is a float value. So here I'm going to access the item having the index position 0. So for that we have to give the index position, and here we run this module and get the result Python, which is a string. So this is all about the accessing the value from the list. So now the second thing is that how to update the list. Updating the list means that we have to change the item, we have to update this item. So initially we have only 2 items inside the list, and the second item is a float value. So now I'm going to change this float value with some another string. So for that I'm going to using a index value 1 and assigning some string which is a hello, and now I'm going to print this whole string. So here we get the result. We have 2 items. The first item is a string and the second item is a updated string. So initially we have a float value, and after that we have a string value which is hello. So this is all about updating the list. So the next thing is how to delete the list. Deleting the list means how to remove the list. So for that we have to use a method del, and now I'm again using a index position of 1. So I'm going to delete this item having index position 1, and after that I'm going to print the list. So here we get the result. So here we get the result only 1 item, because the second item is deleted using a del method. So this is all about the accessing, deleting and updating the list.